Today I'm going to teach you how to draw vertical lines in Draw.io. This is incredibly useful when you're creating flowcharts, organizational diagrams, or any visual representation where you need to connect different elements vertically. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to draw.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to a new tab where the actual diagram editor opens up. This is your workspace where all the creation and editing happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now that you're in the editor, let's begin by adding some shapes to work with. Look for the Shapes panel typically on the left side of your screen and locate the rectangle shape. Click on it and drag it onto your canvas. This will be your first shape. Next, add another rectangle shape, but this time position it directly under the first one. Having these two rectangles stacked vertically will give us the perfect setup for connecting them with a vertical line. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the first rectangle to select it. When you do this, you'll notice small arrow icons appear around the edges of the rectangle. These arrows are connection points that allow you to link shapes together. Focus on the arrow that's positioned at the bottom of the first rectangle. Click on this arrow and you'll see that it becomes active, ready to create a connection. Now, while holding that connection, drag it down towards the second rectangle below. As you get close to the second rectangle, you'll notice it highlights or shows connection points as well. Release your mouse when you're over the second rectangle and Draw.io will automatically create a vertical line connecting the two shapes. This line represents the relationship or flow between these two elements in your diagram. What's great about this method is that the line stays connected even if you move the rectangles around later. The connection is dynamic, so your diagram remains clean and organized no matter how much you adjust it. This makes it perfect for creating professional-looking flowcharts and process diagrams where vertical connections show hierarchy or sequential steps. And there you have it. You've successfully created vertical lines connecting shapes in Draw.io. This simple technique is the foundation for building complex diagrams with clear visual flow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.